Dear learners, today we will learn about the difference between move and pan in AutoCAD. In move, we move a separate object from its origin and move it away from other objects, but in pan, we drag this whole screen and the objects are at equal distance placed as earlier from each other. Whereas in move, they can be dragged away at a particular distance from each other. You can define the distance or you can simply move that other object from other objects by click of mouse. Thank you. Kindly post your more queries so that I will make more videos. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, press bell icon so that you will get next update and thumbs up if you like the videos. Thank you.